Hi guys. And again, we are here to introduce you the preset which we were working on this week. This preset was chosen by you in our weekly poll. Thank you so much for your votes. You can download this preset absolutely for free. You need just to find a password which appears twice during the video, right over there. If you have any troubles about that, find the instruction below the video, and you'll get it for sure. Also, we made the same color correction for video. So now you can have your photo and video content in one style. Which is awesome, isn't it? You are able to use this loot in any video editor you got. Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut and even VN Editor for mobile phones. You can find the link to the video loot down below in the description. Guys, if you need the preset right now, if you have no time to watch this video and repeat after me or look for a password to download it for free, you can just go to our website presetstore.com and find your favorite color correction there. It's not for free but it's worth that. Every preset contains from 3 to 6 versions for PC and mobile platforms of Lightroom. Check it out guys. So, let's get started now.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. I've been high. Lately I've been I wanna know what nobody knows. I wanna go where nobody goes. I lost my way, but I found my fighter's destiny. I don't wanna look back now, 'cause I know that I don't need your love. I won't let you take me down, 'cause lately I've been high. I've been high. Lately I've been
We've done it. It looks very nice now. Definitely much better than it was before. I just hope that you got the same result. Guys, if you haven't found the preset that you need, just leave you comment below and describe that you wanna get, and probably the next art tutorial will be about your color correction. So, that's it for now. Enjoy your new preset, and see you again.
the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.